Imagine a plant that doesn't just sit quietly in the soil, soaking up sunlight, but one that hunts, traps, and devours living creatures. Sounds like science fiction, right? But these plants aren't fictional. They're real. And they've been perfecting the art of predation for millions of years. Today, we're diving into the secret, jaw-dropping world of carnivorous plants that actually eat animals. And trust me, by the end of this video, you'll never look at a plant the same way again. But first, let me ask you, have you ever wondered if the plants in your backyard could be plotting against insects right this very second? Stick around, because one of these plants might just make you question the safety of your own garden. And no, before you panic, we're not talking about a real-life, Little Shop of Horrors situation. At least, not yet. Carnivorous plants are nature's unlikely predators. Unlike animals, they don't have jaws, teeth, or claws. Instead, they've evolved unique strategies to lure, trap, and digest unsuspecting prey. From insects to, in some extreme cases, small frogs or even rodents. Take the Venus flytrap, for instance. Native to the wetlands of North and South Carolina, this plant snaps shut in less than a second, faster than the blink of an eye, when an insect touches its sensitive hairs. It's like a tiny green Pac-Man, minus the video game soundtrack. And it doesn't stop there. The pitcher plant, with its deep, slippery cup, uses nectar and scent to attract insects. Once inside, it's almost impossible for them to escape. The inside of the pitcher is coated with a waxy surface and digestive enzymes that slowly dissolve the prey, turning them into nutrients the plant can absorb. But here's the mind-blowing part. These plants aren't just passive traps. Some have mechanisms that actively hunt and even adapt to the prey around them. And that's where things start to get really strange. Not all carnivorous plants are content with insects. Meet the Nepenthes attenboroughii, a giant pitcher plant discovered in the Philippines in 2007. Its pitchers can trap small mammals like rats, and it's deadly serious about it. Imagine walking past a plant that could theoretically snack on your lunch if you weren't paying attention. Then there's the sundew, a seemingly delicate plant covered in sticky tentacles. Each glistening drop on its leaves isn't dew, it's glue. Insects that land on it get stuck, and the tentacles slowly curl around the prey, digesting it alive. Tiny, beautiful, and terrifying all at once. But carnivorous plants aren't just about brute force. They're masters of deception. Some species mimic flowers or even decaying meat to lure unsuspecting insects. An evolutionary trick that would make a spy jealous. Imagine going on a Tinder date, and your date is actually a trap designed to eat you. That's basically what happens in the plant world. And if you thought that was the peak of plant carnage, wait until you meet the plant that can, wait for it, digest a frog. Yes, a frog. And we'll get to that in just a moment. The Darlingtonia californica, also known as the cobra lily, is a plant that lures insects into a tube-shaped trap. But what's truly astonishing is that some rare species of pitcher plants have been documented to capture small amphibians, using digestive enzymes to absorb nutrients. Carnivorous plants remind us of nature's incredible adaptability. They flourish in nutrient-poor soils by evolving strategies that blur the line between plant and predator. And in doing so, they teach us an important lesson. Even the seemingly passive and quiet elements of our world have their own secrets, strategies, and survival stories. So next time you walk past a seemingly innocent plant, remember, it might be more alive, more aware, and more extraordinary than you ever imagined. Nature is not just beautiful, it's intelligent, patient, and relentless. And who knows, the next incredible predator in your backyard might just be waiting, quietly, in the soil beneath your feet. If this journey into the hidden world of plants opened your eyes, subscribe to Nature Grid for more stories that reveal the wild, the wise, and the wonderful side of our planet. Stay curious, stay connected, and never underestimate the quiet predators of nature.